Great day! We are Group 2, presented by Galas Romilin S., Guanizo Raisa B., Ignacio John Michael, Mangakoy Jovelyn S. Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative is a foundational principle in his moral philosophy, emphasizing that morality is grounded in rational and universal principles, not contingent on personal desires or outcomes.
Universalizability and the law of nature act only according to the maxim whereby you can at the same time will that it should become a universal law. This principle answered that one should act only in the ways that will be consistently applied universally without contradiction. For instance, if lying were universalized, trust would erode, making lying self-defeating.
Respect for person as a lens. Act in such a way that will fit humanity, whether in your own person or in the person of another. Always at the same time as an end, never merely as a means. This emphasizes respecting the inherent dignity and autonomy of individuals, prohibiting the use of others solely for personal gain.
Autonomy and moral legislation. Act as a clear maxim should serve at the same time as the universal law of rational beings. This formulation highlights the importance of self-governance and the idea that moral agents legislate universal laws through their rational will, contributing to a community where all are treated as end in themselves.
In summary, Kant's categorical imperative requires individuals to act according to principles that can be universally applied, respect the inherent worth of others, and legislate moral law. Through their rational will, fostering a community of equals.
Scenario: Paul's promising. A man who financially unstable needs to borrow a money from a friend to buy some medicine for her sick daughter. But he had to lie to his friend to lend him a money, but he don't know how to pay it back without uncertainty. Maxim: when I am in need of money, I shall borrow it even when I know I cannot pay it back.
Ano nangyari dyan? Sige, ako bahala, didiskarte ako para may panggabi siya, utang ako sa kaibigan ko. Mari, baka ko rin yung makautang. Okay. Ang sakit kasi ng anak ko. Walang kailangan ko lang. Kahit naman libo lang. Pag nagpapera na ako.
Sige, sigurado ka babayaran ko.
Kahit hindi ganun yung tubo. Okay lang.
Sige, bayaran kita ng pera. Balik mo ah.
Oo, pare, maraming salamat. Hindi ko pa alam paano bumubayan si Mari. Hindi ako kuha ng pambahay nito. yung pera para sa pagkilang ng natin.
Universalizability, lying from a friend to borrow a money to buy some medicine for his sick daughter. Respect for person as ends. The friend who didn't hesitate to lend the man a money, even though there was no certainty that he would be repaid it. Autonomy in moral legislation. Even though the man lied from her friend, he prepared that his daughter was fully recovered from sickness.